How to fix Wolcen Lords of Mayhem crashes or not launching on Windows. To fix Wolcen Lords of Mayhem crashes or not launching on Windows, try 1. Verify integrity of the game. 2. Clear game cache from %public %\documents. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run Steam in Windows Clean Boot. 5. Launch the game as an administrator. 6. Remove and reinstall the Wolcen Lords of Mayhem game.